Hi guys, welcome to my hot chocolate. So I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is all about April favorite. Although I've not shopped a lot of makeup stuffs in April, but I have used some good and new product which I was in love with. So let's get into the video. So the first product that I'm totally in love with is, I believe for summers it's very important, is this sunscreen, which is Acne UV Gel SPF 30 PA+++ broad spectrum UVA UVB oil free. This is the product. The price of the product is $650. Now the reason why I like this product is because this is actually made for acne prone skin, or if you have a pigmentation problem, this sunscreen is basically made for that skin tone, because I have a very sensitive skin where if the sunscreen does not suit me, I'll end up getting breakouts on my cheeks and forehead. So for that reason I just love this sunscreen, which is very light on your skin. You don't even feel that you have a sunscreen, and it is gel formula. So for sensitive skin, I think gel formula product works much good and well. If you have a sensitive skin, you should always go for a gel product instead of any cream products. I'll show you. You don't have to apply a lot of, just a pea-size amount, and it will blend all over. See. And then just look at this. It will just glide off easily, and you won't even feel that you have a sunscreen on your face. So before applying my makeup, I always apply this sunscreen. In fact, I apply this sunscreen twice a day. So this was my favorite for April, and I totally loved this. I've used this for almost 1 month, and I'll be continue using this. The second product which I'm totally in love with, this the tea body lotion, which is from Fuji Green Tea, the Body Shop. I've already used this for almost 1 month, and I have a separate review for this product. Now during summers, I think it's very important, you have to apply your body lotions. So whether it's summer or winter, you should apply your body lotion. So this is I bought from Body Shop, and I think if you're looking for a good body lotion during summers, this works great. The other thing that I liked during April is this. This is Benefit foundation, and it says Hello Flawless Oil Free SPF 25 Oxygen Wow Benefiting Makeup. I really loved the foundation. It is very smooth, very nice, very gentle. It gives you medium to high coverage, and I think I really like this, and it is also oil free, so I really like the foundation. Packaging is also quite good. It has a pump in it, and the packaging is quite good. So this is also one of my favorite, which I have used in April. This has now become one of my favorites from Maybelline. It says Hyper Sharp Power Back Maybelline New York. This was also I bought from Singapore, but I haven't used it. So during the month of April, I was using all the new products. This is the eyeliner. It is jet black, and it is smudge proof. Once you apply it, it will just mattify and it won't smudge. So it is good for summers as well. Then the other thing which I liked is, I think it's favorite, many YouTubers like this, is this concealer from Maybelline. The shade that I have is, I think, medium. Yes, it's medium shade. I don't use light because I think light shade is not made for Indian skin tone. So I bought this medium, which just works quite good on my skin and to hide the dark circles. So this is, I think, everyone's favorite. And then for summers, one more everyone's favorite is this, which is like fab. If you're looking for a good highlighter and you want to invest in something good, I think nothing works better than this for highlighter. It's, I think, everyone's favorite. And then one more which I've used for the first time, everyone's favorite, the Beauty Blender, which works quite good. I apply my foundation with the foundation brush, and then I just use the damp Beauty Blender just to blend it so that I get the excess foundation off and it gives me a flawless look. So I use this for that. And the last product which I would like to share with you guys is this one, which is a Sephora daily makeup brush cleanser. I don't use any brushes without using this. So guys, that was all for my April favorite. These are the stuffs which I liked for April. And guys, please tell me what is your favorite for April, so that even I also come to know which product to buy, which not to buy. So please comment down below, and hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, a big thumbs up to the video, and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.